In this video we are going to see how to solve the numerical based on the curve fitting. So this is the question given to you. Fit a straight line for a following data. The values of x and y are given to you. X is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and y coordinates are 4.033, 11.084, 30.128, 81.128 and 222.62. So what is given to you? X and y, these are nothing but the values of x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Similarly for y, these are the values of y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. So by using this value we have to solve the numerical. Before starting with the numerical, I would like to suggest you to refer my previous video of curve fitting, in which I have explained you the procedure or the important steps which are required while solving the numerical for curve fitting. So by referring that video, I am solving this numerical. So the first step is that you have to prepare the table by using the values of x and y. So there will be the 4 columns. First column is x values, y, then xy. You have to take the product of these two columns and enter the value of xy, and last column is the x square values, and at the bottom you have to make the summation of all these values. That means summation of x, 30 is nothing but your summation of x. By adding all the values from the x column you will get the value of summation x. Similarly this is for summation y, summation xy and summation x square. So you know the equation for the straight line. Y is equal to ax plus b. These are also two equations for the straight line, that is a summation x plus nb is equal to summation y, and a summation x square plus b summation x is equal to summation xy. So in these two equations you have to enter the value of summation x, summation x square, summation y and xy. So after putting all the values from this table, the equation will be like 30a plus 5b is equal to 349.037 and 220a plus 30b equal to 3108.487. So if you consider these two equations, in these two equations there are only two unknowns, that is a and b. So our next step will be we have to find out the value of a and b. So to find out the value of a and b we have to use the Cramer's rule. So by using the Cramer's rule, your first step is that, next step is that you have to calculate first of all the delta. So for that you have to form the determinant. So how we are going to form the determinant, I have explained you in the previous video for curve fitting. You can go through that video. And you have, so after entering the values in this determinant you will get the value of delta, that is minus 200. Then similarly you have to calculate delta a by solving this determinant, and you will get the value of delta a. And similarly for delta b also, and solving the determinant you will get the value of delta b. So only these two equations you have to refer for finding out the value of delta, delta a and delta b. Once you got all these three values, the next step is that you have to calculate the value of a. So a is nothing but your delta a by delta. So from that you will get the value of a is equal to 25.3565 and b is equal to delta b by delta is equal to minus 82.3316. So once you got the value of a and b, you know the equation for the straight line is y is equal to ax plus b. So putting the value of a and b, you will get the straight line equation.